Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of khanFlicks. We're here at Wonderverse, not in our ordinary studio, actually celebrating my 1 million subscribers! We're in Wonderverse. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. It's made by Sony, and they graciously allowed me to host my 1 million party here today.
1 million!
Thank you. I've been doing this since I was 12, 13 years old, and I've never thought I would progress to this length. Really blessed to have all you guys here to be part of this today. It really means a lot to me. Yeah, all you guys, thank you so much for being here. Guys, well, big special thanks to the good folks at Wonderverse for allowing us to host an event here. And with that said, we'll see you at the next milestone. Take care, guys. Bye.